When working with thin-walled elements in ZBRush, you may notice that the back wall deforms when sculpting. It is important to control this, or at least to notice it in time. My name is Andrei, and on my channel I describe complex functions of programs in simple language. Put a like and see more videos that will help you in simplifying your work. The deformation of the back wall occurs because your brush application area is spherical. If the brush diameter is large, the sphere may touch the back wall of the model. To enable or disable backface deformation, there is a function Backface Masking. It can be found in Brush, Auto Masking, Backface Mask. You can bring the button to your panel. I've done that as well. To do this, you need to click Preferences, Config, Enable Customize. Press Ctrl and Alt. Now move any buttons to any place on the screen. To remove a button from the screen, you need to bring the button into the sculpting box and release it. To finish editing, you need to click on Enable Customize again. When backface masking is on, then areas of the model facing away from the user will not be affected by sculpting. This can be very useful when, for example, trying to sculpt one surface of a thin model such as a piece of leather. Without backface mask on, any brush radius greater than the thickness of the leather would also affect the opposite side of the leather model. Use the intensity slider to adjust the effect. The backface masking curve gives you even more control over the effect. Note that this is an automatic effect. The mask will not be shown, and it will change dynamically as the shape of the model changes. You may notice that the intensity of the brush, its depth, decreases when backface mask is enabled. I'll give you a hint right away. If you want to smooth the model and you hold down the Shift key, you will need to turn on the backface mask button again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have any questions, then write them in the comments. I or my subscribers will try to answer them and help you. And you subscribe to my channel. Give me a like and learn more useful features about simple programming.